Hello everyone, my name is Davanshu and I will talk about myself. I'm 19 years old and I am studying Bachelor of Computer Science and Engineering in Jaffna International University. I passed my SSC from New High School and HSC from Coca-Cola Smith Corporation Computer College. During my school life, I participated in various kinds of sports and debate competition and stood first in debate competition. My passions are video editing, photography, making art, and writing journals. I'm speaking English and Bangla. I'm happy to work with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Google Docs. I know two programming language, Python and C. I also know HTML. I'm aspiring to be a successful software engineer. I'm creative, chill, and well-organized. I have a well-management skill. That's it about me. Feel free to contact with me via this